Boom, quick question. What do you do every evening? Scroll your phone? Eat snacks like it's a sport? Or fall asleep watching just one more video and wake up confused? Today, you're stealing my evening routine. But here's the twist. You'll learn real English. Slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. Without falling asleep. Let's go. In the evening, I finish my work. I close my laptop. I stretch my arms. This is important. When work ends, my English brain can relax. Relaxed brains learn better. Stressed brains? They forget everything. Even their own name. And wait, because the next step is small. But powerful. If this step feels boring, trust me, your future English will say thank you. I clean my room. Not a big clean. Just 5 minutes. I put things back. I throw trash away. Simple. A clean space equals a calm mind. A calm mind equals better listening. Also, English words hide better in a messy room. Science. Probably. Now, the next part smells good. Literally. Ready for the most underrated English activity ever? I make tea. Warm. Quiet. Peaceful. I do not rush. I wait. While the tea is hot, I listen to English. Slow English. Easy words. No panic. This is not study time. This is enjoy time. Your brain learns faster when it's happy. Tea helps. Always. Okay, but now comes the moment we all fight with. Warning. The next step is dangerous. Especially for your phone. I put my phone down. Yes, down. Face down. Like it's in timeout. No messages. No scrolling. No, just 5 more minutes. Phones steal focus. English needs focus. So tonight, English wins. And now my favorite part. This step feels lazy, but it's secretly smart. I sit comfortably. Chair. Couch. Bed. Doesn't matter. I listen to English audio. Slow speed. Clear voice. I don't understand every word. And that is okay. English is not a test. It's a journey. A slow one. With snacks. Remember, you do not need to understand everything. You just need to listen. Now, let's level up a little. Same listening. One small change. Big results. I listened 2 times. First time, just listening. Second time, I listen and read. Magic happens here. Words connect. Sounds make sense. Your brain says, oh, that word. This next habit makes your English brave. I repeat one sentence out loud. Only one. Slowly. My pronunciation is not perfect. Good. Perfect is boring. Speaking helps memory. Even quiet speaking. Even funny speaking. English likes effort, not perfection. And now, we slow things way down. This step feels tiny, but your brain loves it. I write 3 words. Only 3. New words from today. Not 20. Not 50. 3. I write them. I read them. I smile. Small steps win. Big goals come later. Small habits every evening are stronger than big habits once a month. We're done. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful. If you like slow English, if you like easy listening, and if you like learning without stress, like the video, subscribe, and comment. How do you usually spend your evening? And I will read everything.